Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any vehicle having a BMW. It could be any BMW. If you guys need to remove or replace front brake pad wear sensor, stay with us. We'll explain where it's located, how to get to it, how to remove it, where usually the connector is hidden so it can stay in a dry place. All that guys will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. We're constantly getting new cars and probably we have more than 1000 free repair videos on BMWs. We're working on all kind of BMW models, but even if you have different cars, okay, we're constantly working on something else. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools, brake pad wear sensors, anything for a really good price and quick shipping, check out guys the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So with that being said, what do we have here? We'll be demonstrating on BMW X4, which is built on the X3 platform. Many of them will use that design. Usually you will have one brake pad wear sensor per wheel, and it will be located most of the times on the inner brake pad. This is guys the brake pad wear sensor. That's what it looks like. It's recommended to replace it every time you're replacing your brakes, because that thing, okay, first if it's activated it will be done, so you have to replace it. But ours, I just replaced the brake pads right before the brake pad wear sensor was about to touch the rotor, so you can see it's in good condition. It's not worn, but it's still being exposed to the elements, to heat, and definitely guys it's worth it to go ahead and replace it. This is usually that's where it's going to sit. You can see like that. And the moment guys that the brake pad wears out to that sensor and it contacts the rotor, it will wear that cover on the bottom and the light will be illuminated. Stay with us, we'll explain where ours is located. Most of the BMWs will be that way. Some, the connector might be actually right here, more visible. On others will be hidden under the fender liner. We'll go ahead, remove ours, and we'll continue. So what do we need now guys? Okay, whether you're replacing brake pad wear sensor, ABS sensor, you will need to remove the fender liner right here. You can see both of the cables lead to it, and you will need to remove it there. Why? Because guys, okay, the connection will be right there underneath. You will see in a second now. So let's go ahead. Okay, get a what is that, 7 millimeter? 8 millimeter. We're going to remove one screw there. Perfect. We have plastic nut with a 10 millimeter here on top. Later we need to remove, but we'll try to remove more of the fender liner here so we don't have to bend it, okay, and have it loose later. One underneath there. Perfect. That's number 3. We have one right here we need to do on top, the same, with the same tool. Right here there is one hidden. Let's see if we can do that one, or we'll have to do it by hand, because the strut is there. And it got loose, so we'll just do it by hand now. Perfect. Now we're going to get here the plastic nuts with 10 millimeter. Don't over tighten those, do them only by hand later. Great. Now let's see if we'll need to remove all this now, or it will give us enough room to come here to the connector somewhere. Okay, let me see. The connector box is right there guys, underneath. You can see we'll need to get a little bit more room to get to it. So let's see, maybe we need to remove that one here and the one on top. Let's do that one here as well. Perfect. That's great. Now this one has a few more screws, but let's see if that one is going to come out to the point Okay, we have to be careful because here it's not going to come out. So we need to see if that's enough. Okay, to get our hands on. Okay, perfect, just like that. That's enough. Now here we have 4 clips. Give me a second to focus here. Okay, perfect. We're opening them. That's where your connectors are. So the brake pad wear sensor, we're going to go ahead, pull it out of here. Okay, the metal clip came out as well. We're going to tighten that and install it on the sensor now. Here, it's going to come out of that holder. We get it out of here now. Perfect. It needs to go to right there. There is one more place where they go in. Both ends at the same time, otherwise you're going to break the cable. Here on top, it's one of those that it opens up. Okay, let's pull that thing to the side. Okay, I need to get okay, let me just get like a small screwdriver. Okay, I open it. Let me show you now. You can see. Okay, one second. See that thing here open up on the front, and we can pull it out. Now we're going to come to right here. This is the connector. We press in here and we disconnect it. Brake pad wear sensor, okay, came out. You can see just like that, guys. So this is it, guys. You can see that's where ours was, okay, and the cover, okay, that's the box right there. That's where it was. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. If you have any more questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.